Soundstripe. Alright YouTube, it's your boy Big Core back again on another video. Today we got an upgrade for the truck, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, we got them yellow headlights. So let me tell you what came in the mail. We got some LEDs for the high beams, low beams, and the turn signals, and the fog lights. So, hey, this gonna look completely different. I had to go LEDs. But I'm gonna pop the hood, I'm gonna show y'all how to replace it right quick, you know what I'm saying? And to come with the fog light if I even said it, but yeah, let me show y'all. Alright, so my headlights giving me a little bit of trouble. Like they won't come out. So I'm just gonna take the whole grill out so I can get better access. And then how you take these out right here, you pull these tiles out. Make sure that little piece right there goes above that part there. Just like this one. Make sure it goes above that and it'll come out. So yeah, I'm gonna take the grill off, then I'm gonna show y'all what's next. Alright, now I done took the grill. I took basically almost everything out, so yeah, now I can just pull these out more easily. So I don't have to worry about stretching out. Then we can put the LEDs in. You know what I'm saying? For the grill, just take that out, the rest of these. I did in the video, I replaced this grill. I had a white one, but then I put this chrome one on there. So if y'all want to see that video, go ahead to my last video that I posted. I know I don't really post that much, but well, I figured out something to post more than come up with videos and stuff. But like, yeah, let me get finished working on this and I'll show y'all. I got one light bulb out. You know what I'm saying? I did break that part right there, but whatever. I'm gonna get new headlights soon anyway, so I'm gonna show y'all the LEDs real quick. A little sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? Hey, he might be bright though, I ain't gonna lie. The one I just put in, it was these. Make sure yours have this connector right here. This is a big ass connector. but make sure yours should have this right here. And then I guess we're gonna start putting these corner lights in. We're gonna see how that look. I believe the corner lights in this one right here, so. Alright, got that bulb in. Now I'm trying to do the other side, you know what I'm saying? I did get the fog light fitted on. So when I finish with everything, I'm gonna show y'all the review. I can't even down talk. The review of everything, the light bulbs and everything. So yeah, let me finish this up right quick. Alright, who ready for the review? I got everything finished. Alright, I'm gonna just go cut these lights on real quick. I ain't gonna lie, but they look good. I ain't gonna cut with you. Got the lights on. Run the lights. No. The fog lights. Fog lights on. Oh, that look good. I ain't gonna lie to you. You could hear the fans with the headlights. That's fire, I ain't gonna lie. And they got LEDs on the side. So, you know what I'm saying? Hey, this truck is getting better and better, I ain't gonna lie to you. So, hey, just wait till I get the lift kit, wheels, tires, everything, you know what I'm saying? The truck will be hard, you feel me? Once again, your boy Big Core back again on another upgrade video, you know what I'm saying? And he is out. Soundstripe.